Good evening, everyone. Hotel Management Institute of Rohtak will accept admission applications till June 12. Tourism sector can prove to be an excellent option for business and career. The youth can also do various courses to make a career in this field, and after 12th class they can establish new dimensions by joining the field of hospitality and tourism. In sequence, the Hotel Management Institute, located at Tiliar Lake in Rohtak by the Tourism Department, Government of Haryana, has invited applications for admission of students. The last date for application is 12 June 2025. Giving information about this, the principal in charge of the institute, Sanjeev Dey, said that the admission process is going on in various courses for the students who have passed class 12th in the session 2025 in IHM. Admissions are going on in the institute in 3-year BSc Hotel Management and to 1.5-year Food and Beverage Service Food Products and Bakery Diploma by Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. By taking admission in professional courses, students can give a new flight to their career in the field of hospitality and tourism, and can wave the flag of the success and national and international level. Institute lecturer Vikas Deswal said that the hospitality and tourism sector is one of the fastest growing industries in the world, which provides many opportunities for hotel, airline, fast food chain, retail outlet, Indian Railways, Tourism Board, and making way for say employment. The students of this institute have also made their special identity at the international level, and the students here are performing excellently in the field of international hotel group chain cruise tourism. The process of first year admission in the degree colleges of the district is going on. A maximum number of students should register till June 9 for admission in government colleges. Admission portal has been opened by the Higher Education Department. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma had said that maximum number of students should registered on the admission portal for admission in the first year of various UG programs in the government colleges of the state. The admission process for the first year of graduation for the academic session 2025-26 is going on in all the degree colleges of the state by the Higher Education Department. The government is keen to get as many students as possible registered in the graduate course. The admission portal is open for students for undergraduate programs like BA, BCom, Bachelor of Physical Sciences, Bachelor of Life Sciences, BCA, BBA at extra. Eligible students can apply till 9 June 2025 on the portal admissions.hi Reduhari CNC, started by Higher Education Department. Complete the pending PPP related verification work on the portal on priority. Charki Dadri. Admission Deputy Commissioner Dr. Manish Nagpal reviewed the PPP related work with the district officials and employees in his office located at the local mini secretariat and gave necessary instructions. He instructed that the work of verification related to the family identity card should be completed within the stipulated time, so people do not have to face any kind of problems to the pending PPP related verification work on the portal on priority. Do not leave any kind of error in verifications. Fill the name at extra in all the columns clearly and correctly. While giving instructions, he had said that the errors related to income, age, occupation, etc. in PPP should be updated carefully. Do not be negligent in this. The main objective of the government is that people should get the benefits of government schemes with the transparency and without any delay. Due to this, the online system has been started by the government so that people can take advantage of the government schemes and services sitting at home. The schemes have been likened to PPPP. Therefore, departmental action will be taken against the officer A employee who has negligent in the work of PPPP. He said that any officer or employee whose login has any pending application should check it himself and take appropriate action on the applications without any delay. Applications should not remain pending under any circumstances. Family identity card has now become such a document which is needed at every level. In such a situation, action should be taken on all applications related to PPPP after proper investigation. Orientation program of committees related to de-addiction, child marriage and judicial awareness was organized at District Legal Services Authority, Charkhi Dadri. Under the chairmanship of Sri Sanjeev Kajla, Chief Judicial Magistrate Kam Secretary District Legal Services Authority Charkhi Dadri and Unit Member JMIC Rajat Arora, and orientation program was organized for all the members of the Dawn committee under the Dawn unit. Multi-agency collaboration for de-addiction and rehabilitation campaign launched by National Legal Services Authority NLSA NALSA on 06.06.2025 in Mini Secretariat Conference Hall number 1, Charkhi Dadri. In the section of Dawn unit, discussions were held focused on issues like rehabilitation, sensitizes and legal for youth and communities affected by drug addiction. The objective of the drug abuse awareness, welfare and nurturing unit is to spread legal awareness for drug de-addiction, coordinate with rehabilitation centers and work in unions with concerned agency. At the end of the program, and participate shared their views in thematic groups and prepared strategies for implementation on related issues at the local level. District Legal Services Authority Secretary Sanjeev Kajla described the organization of this program as an important step and said that it is expected to bring about effective improvement in awareness, assistance, and implementation at the grassroots level. The said initiatives are not only necessary for the safety and the welfare of the vulnerable sections of the society, but it is also an concrete effort towards building an empowered, aware, and just society. So, thank you very much, friends, for watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. Then, so take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Take care.